What's up everybody, this is Sergey again, and I'm going to do a job right now. It's raining. I'm going to do the job on the 8th floor, so it's some problem with the parking out there. So I load up my wife's car with my portable, that new one I got not too long ago. Right there, it fits perfectly. We got some chemicals, and it's just a small job. The hallway and next to the elevators, about 800 square feet. So, but anyway, we'll see you guys on the job site, and as always, kudoosh. All right, guys. Well, I got to the job site. Finally, I got to the 8th floor. Unload this thing here. Man, and wow, just a few things for the setup with this machine, the Advanced ET700. Wow, it was so easy to load in my wife SUV, mid-size SUV, because these things are old. So basically, I will show you guys when I will load up how easy it is. And man, I love this. It's a good idea. Like, you can hang the stuff. I hang my hose here to get the clean water. Then this holding the hose. The hose is small. It's only, I believe, 15 footer, but I guess to keep the heat, they cannot make it longer, because it probably will lose the heat when you will run the like 25 footer or something. So anyway, we're going to go ahead, fill up right now and start whooping it. So by the way, this is what we gotta do. Just this hallway here, I mean lobby area next to the elevators, and then hallway. So that's it. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. They're saying that it should be snowing tonight, but in South Carolina, and snow doesn't go too well. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to hit us tomorrow, not tonight though, because it's not below freezing yet. So going to go ahead, fill up this thing with water. Man, this hose right here, guys, I probably showed you already, is great. Expandable, 100 feet. And I believe it's 10 gallon here for this clean solution, or I need to check on the specs. There we go. Oh my. See how expands this thing is? Expanding. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, come up with this idea. Why I didn't. So that's the first time actually I'm going to use that machine on the job. I just want to try on the high heat how good is heat up the water, and you know, overall performance of that machine. So because I was trying to find some YouTube videos about that machine, but I couldn't locate any, and I just figured I'd make a video myself for it, you know, see how well it do on a job site. So, but far as the how you carry that machine, you know, the very easy, the design overall. As of right now, I really like it. The way to load up, and you know, get on a different floor. That's for the portable. That's what they designed for anyway. But you know, basically you can put all of your accessories, whatever you need for the job, on hang on the machine itself, and then you know, transport it that way. Transport it. Yeah. So. All right. So let's write cheers. Yeah, I kind of only think I don't like that it's only 15 footer, but we'll see how hot it will get. And hopefully it's not going to be a problem if we plug in 2 cords in one outlet. Truly hope it's not going to be a problem, because wow, it's going to be a pain to plug in 2 separate ones. Probably need to get the extension cord, but usually the commercial electrical was stronger than residential. I was trying this yesterday at my place, and it still was in 2 different plugs, and it still was blown out the fuses. So okay, так. Quick connect, quick. So quick for you. You so quick for me? No, I'm so quick for you. So, and this one is ready. Okay. Plug. Okay, plug. It's got those 2 holders. I like that. It was a great idea. So let's hope that fuse will not blow out on me. So anyway, and moment of truth. Yes! There we go. This little cleaning tool, I don't know what to say about it, because honestly at first I kind of didn't like it, but we'll see. But it's really light. That's the big plus. I like that. At 300 psi. There we go. suction. Well, so far I do pretty well. And really what I like is not that loud. Suction. You can see, oh, sorry. Not too bad. Окей, так. There we go. Yeah, I truly like that it's not loud. That's great. My other one is like the older, not made by the same company, but my first portable I ever purchased. Yeah, that's like working like man, the rocket. Okay. Oh yeah, it starts heating up pretty good. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. It's getting really, really warm. So I probably don't know what I was doing at first. It's alright though. I usually say people who don't make mistakes, those people don't do nothing. So anyway, I'm just trying to make myself feel better. Okay. Oh yes, pretty warm. Of course, nothing like in a truck mount where you cannot even, well, I mean, you can adjust it, you cannot even touch the hose if it's on a huge heat. Alright, well, dirty water solution. Here, the only way I can dump it out is this way here, so let's see how well we picked it up. Stuff. Oh yeah, that's pretty dirty. Yep. Well, we complete this job. Look pretty good. Yes! And so far this thing did pretty well. Thank you for your help, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right. Alright, we're going to load up, and I'm guys going to show you how easy it is to load this thing up. So let me get to the car first. Alright guys, I got to the car. Well, that's my wife's vehicle, so she usually driving day after day in and day out, so I just thought it's going to be a problem of parking here tonight, and my van doesn't go to that garage. It kind of hit the top of that 8 feet sign, so not working out too well on that end. But the good thing, I could park here today, so it wasn't this hard. I'm going to take this hose here. Okay, pour it right there. Okay. All right. No, how you like my SpongeBob blanket? Yeah. Huh? Oh. Okay. Let's go there. So now I'm going to unhook this thingy. It will go here. Here. It will go here. Alright, now this is what we do. Bring this up like this, and then it's got holders here, so you go up, and on those little wheels up front, and here it goes. So that's it guys, nothing to it, just put your back into it. Alright, well, done for tonight. It's Saturday, and they just want to see if we could get it done Saturday. Why not? I like this kind of jobs. They're quick, get in and get out. So thank you for watching guys. Skadoosh.